Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Kim here from Expression Artworks. I just wanted to come on real quick because I'd like to show you a technique that you could use to finish off your piece. So once you have your sign painted, decorated, stenciled, whatever you're doing with it, and you want to add a little softness, more of a aged look, this is something you could do. So I'm going to lower this down so you can see my work. Okay, and what I have here is I have a sign that I made earlier. It's a pretty tropical sign with palm trees and sun and a little bit of an island on a pretty turquoise background, 5x5 wood block, nice shelf sitter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the white chalk paint that I used to do my stenciling, and I'm just going to dip that right in, remove a lot of the excess off, offload it on the paper towel because I'm only looking for a little bit of paint on the brush. Okay, so something like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go directly down on the sides because I just want to add some paint to the edging of the sign. So I'm just going to hold the brush on an angle, and then I'm going to start to go in on that angle, and I'm just going to lightly brush the sides. And what this does basically, it's adding some detail to the sign, it's softening it up, it's giving it almost like a little bit, like I said, of an aged look. And it's just a different technique that you can use, like I said, to finish off your sign. I don't do this, of course, with all my signs, but I do like to do it on some if I'm looking to achieve that look. I'll add a little bit more. And then you just continue that same technique, like I said, kind of going in on the angle and brushing it on your side. Get those corners, come around the other side. And you could do as much or as little as you'd like, but having less paint on the brush is what I recommend, especially in the beginning and when you're starting out, because you don't want to apply it too heavy, too thick. And as you get used to this technique, then like I said, you could always go back and add a little bit more where you feel like it's needed. And there you go. See, you just added a little bit of an aged look. It softened it up. And it's a great technique to use as a finisher. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and feel free to comment below with any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to making lots of different fun videos for you to enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.